Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the display section. Let's tap on it, and now just scroll down in order to find the lock display section. Right here we've got the sleep options, so let's tap, and here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are quite a short time, I would say, and also 1 to 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got a 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked, and basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, let's tap on it, it is marked, so now we can go back. And as you can see, it is also notified right here, which means that from now on this device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.